What's up guys, welcome back to Enzone. Today we're going to talk about how you use MetaTrader. First of all, congratulations, you have your FxPro or another broker account and now you know how to use the Discord. If you don't, make sure to watch those videos first and then you can watch this one. Alright, so I have a few trades from last week, just ignore those. However, on the chart, it may look different in yours. I'm not going to go through how you customize it in this video. Maybe in the future I make one, or go on YouTube and find someone who can help you make your chart look at your taste. Alright. However, I'm going to go through how you put in the orders, which I share, for example, in the Discord. And let's say for example, I share this trade with GBP. Okay, GBP, JPI. And in this case we are buying. All right, so we need to go and find the pair on the quotes. These are your pairs. All right, and here is the GBP, JPI. If you can't find it, just search for it. For example, here however, we have it already, but you click on the plus sign when you find the one you want, and then you can go back to the quotes and you can find it at the bottom. All right, so we click on the chart and you click on trade. All right, when you click on the trade, you're gonna choose market execution if we have gonna put the order at the moment. If it's an order, you're gonna click on buy limit if it's a buy position, or sell limit if it's a sell order, right? However, we're gonna choose the market execution and pretend that we are at the price we want it to be. And the entry point is where the price is at when I enter the market, and currently it's on 149.586, so it's quite different on the price at the moment. However, we're gonna pretend it's at the same place. The stop loss is gonna be where the order gonna go out automatically, so you're gonna get your loss. However, you're not gonna lose more than where we have put in, right? So it happens on its own. So we're gonna put in 153, 450, right? That's the take profit, sorry. 153, 450, right? Like that. And then we have the take profit. That's where it's gonna go out automatically. Let's just watch this ad. I'm trying to share the screen on a possible way with the microphone, so bear with me. The take profit is going to be 153,700, right? Can you see that? So just put it in 153.700. When you do this, you have filled in where the market will go automatically, so you don't even need to watch the market. All right? I have already done the job for you. However, these numbers is very important. All right, make this like a thumb of rule. For every $100 you have on your account, you can trade 0.01 for 1% risk. All right, and what we recommend is that you risk maximum 3 to 5% risk. All right, so you can trade 0.01, which is 1%, or 0.05, which is 5% risk for $100. All right, so let's say we have $100 and we're gonna risk 1%, then we're gonna trade 0.01, and then when you're gonna click on buy or sell, that's it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.